Hello everyone, how are you doing? I hope you are enjoying nice weather. So let's start. Today, let's see first one of my creation that I did last week. No, sorry, this week. You must remember the work in progress photo I showed you. So I completed that frame. So this is finished frame. You can see closely. It's a lot of work, lot of detail work. The size of this frame is 8 by 10. And now I have one game for you. You have to guess how much time it took me to make this frame. You may remember that in my work in progress picture, one of my followers told that to make the outline, it took me 30 minutes. Now you have to guess how much time it took me to make this whole frame. Let's see who can guess this. I also made this beautiful greeting card. So today I am going to show you how to make this kind of flower. So let's get started. Let me add my second camera. Okay. Oh, one more thing. So my next project will be same iris flower, but this time it will be a little bit different. You can see like this. So next project will be same iris flower, same colors, and size will be same 8 by 10. Now let's learn how to make this royal flower like this. So take one paper strip and like all other shapes, first we have to make loose coil. Feel the strip, face the rough side towards you. Now insert strip inside the slot and roll the strip slowly. Roll it carefully. Don't press this finger. If you press these fingers, your coil will not become big. Now we are going to use circle sizer. Use big size circle and put coil inside it. Let's glue the end. Glue this end and wait for some time. Here I already made a couple of loose coils. Now take one loose coil and you also need, you can use same color or different color strip. I am using same color strip, but this time I am going to use half strip. Cut this strip into half. Take coil and hold it like this. Now what we are going to do, take one pin. Let me see, I will move this so that you can see nicely. So this is coil, right? So take one pin and push this pin inside like this and bring these ends together like this. Now take glue and put glue on one edge and take another strip and wrap this whole petal with this strip. You can use same color strip or you can use different color strip. Turn off the excess strip Hold it for a few seconds. So this is royal petal. You can see it's a little bit different. We are bending the loose coil so it's look different, nice. Let me show you again. First you have to make little bit big loose coil. If you make very small loose coil, it will be a little bit difficult for you to make this petal. So take loose coil, press pin inside and bring the ends together like this. Now take glue, put glue and wrap the strip around it. So you can make 5 or 6 petals like this. And just like regular flower, we are going to glue these petals. So take one board. I have some petals ready here. Let's see. I'm gonna use 6 petals. Put glue on both sides. Put it and glue 2 petals around it. Now take pins and push pins. Take remaining petals. Glue it. And push pins. One more. If you want, you can make butterflies with this kind of petals or leaves, anything. So just like this, you can make flower. Let this dry completely. And remember, while removing pins, keep your fingers like this and then remove all pins. Because sometimes what happens, the middle part of the coil or shape will come out when you are removing the pins. So keep your fingers like this and then remove all pins. And after that, when it's completely dry, you can put some half pearl like this, or you can just put small tight coil in the middle for the decoration. And you can make card like this. You can use this card for any occasion and you can just change colors and you can write your message here. So this was the simple card. I hope you liked it, and if you are making this card, don't forget to post a picture of this flower, and don't forget the guessing game. Even if you are watching the replay, you can give me answer. So this is my free latest creation. You have to tell how much time it took me to create this frame. Okay, so you can tell me anytime. Let's see who can guess the exact time. So that's it for today. So till next time, bye.